Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to uninstall or disable bloatware on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe up and open the app drawer. And from here, just tap and hold on the pre-installed bloatware apps to uninstall them. Just like that. Now just select uninstall. And once you do that, you will uninstall the bloatware on your smartphone. Now from here, just do the same with all the other bloatware apps on your smartphone. Now there are also some bloatware apps which can't be deleted. For an example, we have two contacts app, but if you want to delete one, you will not be able to delete any of them. Now if you want to use only one and if you want to delete the other, just tap and hold on the app which you want to delete, then select app info. From here you will find the option of disable. Just tap on it, then select disable app. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. And once you do that, you will disable the bloatware app on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can uninstall and disable bloatware apps on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.